Hello everyone. In today's video, I'll introduce you to Microsoft Word. This is basically a series of tutorials for Microsoft Word. In the first tutorial, we're going to talk about the general things, the environment, the editor that is used, and different parts of that editor, and we will do some basic editing in Microsoft Word. So here, this environment that we are in, it has different elements. For example, this top menu, it's called menu bar, which has different menus. You can click on them and choose different commands that are available here. And then we have this standard toolbar, which has some basic functionalities, for example, for creating new documents, opening existing documents, saving a file, and copy and paste and undo redo functionality. This is called standard toolbar. The next toolbar is called formatting toolbar, and this toolbar can be used to change fonts, sizes of the text and fonts themselves. You can also use bold italic command to make the text look bold, bigger or smaller, or underline or italic, and so on. You can also set the alignment here. So this top one is called standard toolbar. The next one is called formatting toolbar. Then we have this ribbon functionality here in Microsoft Word. This functionality wasn't available in the previous versions of Windows. The last version was 2003, and after that this ribbon was introduced. This basically provides a tabular format where all functions are put together, especially related functions are put in different tabs. For example, tables tab will have all functions related to tables, and similarly charts will contain different options for creating charts. So all these options that you can see here are also available through different menus. For example, tables options are available through table menu. However, for ease of use, they have been put together. So then we have the we can also minimize and this ribbon by clicking on this button here. The next thing on the screen is called ruler. This basically gives you a measurement of your page that you're using, and it also tells us about the margins that are there on every page. So this area will never be used because this is the margin area. This is the empty space that you get when you print out a paper. So this is called horizontal ruler, and this is called vertical ruler. In the next tutorials we'll talk about the usage of these rulers in detail, how we can use different tabs on these rulers to adjust the text on our pages. So this is the main content area where we type our text, and we do different types of editing here. And on the right hand side you can see this scroll bar that you can use to scroll up and down the page. And finally, at the bottom of the page screen we get this status bar. This bar shows us different information related to how many pages there are in this document that we have, and how many words, and so on. On the left hand side we get different types of views that we can switch to. We will talk about these views later in other tutorials. And here we have this zoom in and out function to increase the zooming functionality to make the page of the document look bigger or smaller. So the default is 100%. So here now we start by using some of the basic editing functionalities. So we have these two sample paragraphs. In order to apply any changes on the text level, we need to select a piece of text. To select the text, you have to click the left mouse button and keep it holding and drag it to select text. Once the text is selected, then you can apply different options to make it look stylish or whatever you want to do. So once the text is selected, you can choose a size to make it look bigger, and it will impact only the selected area. Then you can use the bold, italic to make it look italic. You can also underline the text, and you can also choose where to align this text on the page. It should be in the center, it should be on the right hand side, it should be on the justified, which means that it is equally aligned on both sides of the page. So this is how we use these different toolbars to perform these actions. And similarly, we can use this ribbon to perform these actions. For example, changing fonts. You can see the changes here. Put them justified, and so on. So these are the basic editing functionalities that you can use in Microsoft Word, and in the next tutorial we'll talk about other formatting options that are available in the Word document. Thanks for watching.